Virgo, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Let's do your reading for the month of May 2020. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter signs. Are you even kidding me? Because I saw this during the pre-shuffle. I saw this in the bottom of the deck. Okay, Daughter of Wands, and first card you got this Daughter of Wands. So if you're a male, because you got a daughter, your sibling is gonna communicate with you about something, which is definitely very important. Okay, because daughter, if you're a male, or if you're a female, and if you have a daughter, if you have a female sibling, then they are gonna communicate with you. Okay, now if you're a female and have a male sibling, then for you this is not for you. Okay, in that case your close best friend is gonna communicate with you, and they have something to share, which is very important. Okay, this is the most Son of Wands is the most attractive card, but this is my favorite card, which I feel more attracted to, because this is a female energy. So, and even in playing cards, I have Daniel Madison Rounders deck. In that, I like the Queen of Clubs. You can check it out. Queen of Clubs. Yeah. But I love Daniel Madison. He is a great guy. He's also my inspiration when it comes to style and other stuff. Doing magic tricks using playing cards. Next is Hierophant. Hierophant is speaks about marriage. So your sibling, if you have a sibling, female sibling, marriage proposals are gonna come soon, or a communication is gonna start with regards to your sibling when it comes to marriage. Okay, or if you're already married and have a daughter, you're looking forward to arrange a marriage for them also, is what I'm seeing. Now if you get the Hierophant card, you might be focusing on more on education. Okay, exams, assignments, education. You might learn about traditions as well, spirituality. There are many meanings for Hierophant. You might be watching Netflix, not movies but series. I've been watching few series and movies. I just watched this movie. I just want to share for you guys, because you got Hierophant, it kind of relates. I just picked a card. It's Daughter of Cups. I'm gonna get into that soon, but shout out to this movie. I just watched it. It's called Seven. Okay, it's an amazing movie. It speaks about the 7 deadly sins. I'm gonna also speak about the 7 deadly sins in my upcoming series, Uncovering the Deepest Secrets of the Universe, soon. It's also written in Bible, I believe, the 7 deadly sins: lust, greed, etc. Next is Daughter of Cups. Now, Daughter of Cups, I believe definitely, if listen carefully, if you're already married and have a daughter, marriage proposals are gonna come, or you might actually take the leap of arranging a marriage for them. And once, in that case, if that is the case, then your particular daughter is gonna have a baby, and they might have a daughter. Yeah. This is what I'm seeing. Now, how can cards say that? I'm not really sure. But that is something. If it resonates to you, great, really great. Let me know in the comments down below. I also feel like you might be reflecting on yourself in the month of May, seeing how far you have come, because the duck is, oh god, if I hold this deck in my hand, automatically if I'm explaining, I'll see the bottom of the deck, because I'll be my index finger will go on this way and I'll see the bottom of the deck. It's High Priestess. Okay, I just want to share that. Coming back, Daughter of Cups, you're just reflecting on yourself right now. You're seeing how beautiful you are, how great emotions you have that you can share, and you're also learning. You're also learning about yourself. You're getting to know about yourself. Rainbow is also significant in my life right now. Every time, not right now. Coming back to the High Priestess, which I saw in the bottom of the deck, it kind of relates to the rainbow. It definitely relates to the rainbow. How is because you can see this prism, it produces a rainbow. Okay, now there's a rainbow here, so that's how it relates. Prism is kind of a medium. When the light hits, it produces a kind of a rainbow. So you have the prism inside, that is your heart, that is the cup. You have the heart, and once the light hits, you're emitting that radiation, the colorful radiation. Okay, this is all psychic messages. This is my personal opinion. I just want to share. There is I don't want to argue with this to anyone, but this is my personal opinion. I feel like everyone has to have their personal opinions in life, because we have to have the freedom to have our own opinions. Now, astrology, when I googled about astrology, it says it's a pseudoscience. It's a pseudoscience, and also this is not fair. Okay, and also there is another thing, I believe, similar to astrology. Again, law of attraction. I saw in Google. Okay, if I'm not wrong, law of attraction and astrology, they're saying it's a pseudoscience, and I don't know why the world is like this. It's very scientific. It is proven. Astrology is proven. It is scientific method. What we are following, it's based on degrees. It's based on mathematical equations also. Okay, but I don't know. Science can actually prove astrology. It is science. Astrology is science. It is not pseudoscience. See, that's why they are fooling us. The government is fooling us. If you want to catch me, I'm going to share this, because we have to have our own opinion in life. Because I don't know, that is something I want to share. Okay, it's not only government. I feel like some books might write something that might be published, and it goes on the internet, and when people see information on the internet which is not true, they believe it is true. Okay, next is judgment. Judgment is wow, we just spoke about the pseudoscience, and it kind of relates to the judgment. Judgment is a time where you have to take a decision in order to go to light. Now in this case, that is the meaning of the judgment. Now what's happening here in your case is Daughter of Wands, Hierophant, Daughter of Cups, and Judgment. I strongly believe that if you are having a daughter, if you're already married, there comes a time where you take a decision. I feel like this might be like a super like a movie scene is what I'm getting. It's like if you have a daughter right now, if you're married, if you have a daughter right now, you're looking for marriage, and daughter has two options now, either this guy or that guy. Okay, there are two people. Even as a parent, you might having two opinions, whether to have your daughter to get married with their family or the other family, is what I'm saying. And judgment is a time where you have to take a decision between this or that. You'll take the right decision is what I feel. I don't know, but definitely this is karma. It has to happen. Okay, you're gonna meet someone who's gonna give you invitations. I feel like many invitations are gonna come to you, okay, regarding marriage, and it is your karma that you have to decide which one you want. Okay, for few people it is definitely 2. For others, I feel like it is more than 2. Now, when it comes to students, because Hierophant is education, students, you're gonna have exams right now, is what I feel, and you have to put your emotions to it. You have to take your time to learn this, and you have to reflect on, you have to grow. You have to learn and grow. And judgment is also karma. Basically, you'll get a time where you have to take the test and show yourself as a judgment. You'll be judged with regards to your marks. That is something. And for people again who are in pursuing education and exams, you got daughter of wands, your sibling might also help in that case, is what I'm seeing. Capricorn got this card as their first card. I just finished with Capricorn just now. 8 of Swords. They got this as their first card, and you got now in the 5th card. I believe it can relate, it definitely can relate. When you get this as the 5th card, and if they get in the first card, it might be like in the 5th day or something, they might contact you or you might contact them. That is also significant for few Virgos. Especially for rising signs, my readings will be very accurate. You can check out Cosmic Insights app. Okay, it is made by, I believe, Dr. Arjun Pai. He's one of the greatest Indian astrologers here in the world, in my case, and he's a great astrologer. He's a great astrologer. Check out Cosmic Insights app, and there is app also. You can go to the website and get a free report, and you can find your ascendant, moon, sun, Jupiter, rising signs. That will be very accurate. That's why I'm suggesting that. There is no such thing like paid promotion which I'm getting. Just freely I'm giving a shout out, okay, because I really love that app, Cosmic Insights. And ascendant signs, it will be very accurate, my readings. Now in this case, 5 of Swords. Listen, what I'm getting right now is, this is deep, Virgo. This is really deep. That's the reason why it came out. Now, oh my god, this is really deep. Okay, listen to this. Because if you get Judgment next to the 8 of Swords, it has a really deep meaning, which you have to definitely take care of. Now definitely look, there comes a time where you have to take a decision. It can be exams or it can be anything. You will feel that. You'll feel like, okay, I have to take a decision now. And when the time comes, you have to take it. But instead, what you're actually doing is you're blocking yourself. Judgment next to the 8 of Swords is really, Judgment is a time where the Archangel Gabriel blows his Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael blows a whistle. It's like a pressure cooker, Judgment, and you have to take a decision. But what you're doing is you're restricting yourself and you're not taking it. That's really, it can do a lot of harm, okay, if you're not aware of this. When Judgment comes and if you don't take a decision, oh my god, that will actually lead you to things might get worse actually. So watch out for that. So especially when you have to take a decision, when you have to write an exam, when you have to attend an exam, you have to do it. or it may not be exams, because I got a Hierophant, it might speaks about education. Or if it is marriage also, if you don't take a decision, then things might end up worse. At least at least you have to take a decision saying something. You have to put out something or the other way. If you are in a stalemate, then oh my god, judgment will give you a very bad result if you don't take a decision. Okay, because this is the universe calling. It is an awakening. You have to be open to it. 10 of Cups. Wow, I was just worried for a minute. When this card came out, it made me get relieved a little bit. Now 10 of Cups is emotional fulfillment. I don't know how this occurs. I don't know what happened in the middle of this 8 of Swords and you got next to the next 10 of Cups. I definitely don't know what happened. I believe I'm getting a sense like your family member, one of your family members, it can be anything. It can be anyone, sorry, not anything. It can be anyone of your family member is going to save you from this situation. Because you're not taking any decision with regards to this. And one of your family member comes and he rescues you. In this case is what I'm seeing. Okay. Maybe that is the universe again. Look, when we don't listen to the universe also, the universe understands us, because he is the creation. So he gives, he sends spirit guides. He sees how they react. Then he sends angels. He sends other universal energies. Then he sends people. All these can come in the form of people also, in order to guide you. Okay, that is what something I'm seeing right now. Capricorn got this card also, Son of Wands, Prince Charm. I believe it is the Capricorn person who's going to say. No. Now you might check, okay, you might go and ask your family members, are you Capricorn, and don't do that. You can't try it out. But everything what we assume won't happen. Okay, so chill out. Now, Son of Wands, I feel like someone who is very attractive is gonna come and save you. Also, is this chances are that it might be your family member, because 10 of Cups. 2 cards want to come out. I'm going to take 2 cards. Wow, you might definitely deal with a Capricorn right now. Even this Capricorn got this Sun card. Now whole reading got changed because Sun is very positive energy. Let's go with 4 of Pentacles now. Look, stability. What did I tell you? This person came, a person who is very attractive. They came and literally made your life stable. This is stability. That's all it is. And 4 represents home. In astrology also, numerology also, 4 represents home, vehicles, the 4th house. 4th house is home, the mother. So it can be your mom, it can be anyone. I got daughter, I got Son of Wands here, I don't know who to say. You got mother, 4. It can be home, definitely someone in your house is gonna save you with regards to this judgment thing. But you have to take the decision, Virgo. You do your part now. If something is blocking you, 8 of Swords, you can check the reading, you can check the meaning. It is in your mind, there is nothing blocking you. And when you block yourself also in your mind, universe is giving you some person in order to guide you through. Sun, feeling happy. You are like, oh God, thank God, they saved me. You're feeling that. Comment down below if that is the case. This is something very significant here. I'm happy too for you, Virgo, for at least. Oh my goodness. Okay. anyways, I'm gonna take one card for sure, because this is not corona, this won't be like coronavirus reading where we got 2 extra cards. I saw one more card also, just to mention. It was 8 of Pentacles. So 8 of Pentacles is the growth in regards to finances. I feel like, because I didn't take that card but I saw the card, I feel like in a way I can say that you have to take help. Now, right now in the month of May, you definitely need a lot of help, Virgo. I feel like you definitely need someone in order to guide you and coach you. Now, you're not like Son of Wands where you can stand alone. I feel like you need someone who has the ability to stand alone, and that person should come and help you in the month of May, because I believe some planets are transiting and it is giving you that lack of being independent, having that leadership quality right now. I feel like someone has to be there for you in order to guide you through, especially with regards to finances. Okay, now you got Fool card again. You want to start something new, but you're a little bit scared, but go ahead. Okay, this is my advice, just go ahead. Okay, whatever it is, the Fool card. The bottom of the deck, bam, this is like the climax now. This is like, when Tom Cruise comes and he gives a shot finish off the reading. 6 of Wands is victory. Beautiful. Now, once you go by this Fool energy, once you take the leap, the bird is scared to fly for the first time. So you might be scared in order to go forward and explore something in your life for the first time, something new. And listen to your, take advices from people. Look what they say. Everyone says, yes, go ahead. This is a wonderful opportunity. Then why are you waiting? Okay, it's like, let me tell you what's going on. In this picture, the bird is in the branch. It didn't fly anytime. This is the first time it's flying. It's scared. But reality is, you can't see this. You can't see this. But there are so many people there for you. It's like, even though you fall, they are here to catch you. Okay, Virgo? Then why are you scared? Go ahead and do it. And it's like, look, you can fly. There is not a bird here, but look, it's like it's scared of flying for the first time, and it actually flies for the first time. And these are people. If you fall also, they'll catch you. That's it. So that's the reading, Virgo. Definitely awesome reading. It's so spiritual as well, because Hierophant, Judgment, two major arcanas in the first 5 cards, 2 major arcanas in the next 5 cards. So 4 major arcanas, definitely very strong reading. Judgment part, you have to take the decision. You have to not be in this, you have to not close yourself. And universe is bringing someone in order to help you, the 2 close people around you, because now it's quarantine. So you got 10 of Cups again. As I said, a family member is going to help you, because now it's quarantine and everyone is at home. Definitely universe is like, okay, let me trigger these people in order to help you, and they are helping you. But Judgment next to the 8 of Swords is like, it's it will end up worse if you don't take a decision. But luckily thank God, I was also I was just wondering what will happen, and after this card came out, 10 of Cups, I was like relieved a little bit. Okay, now that is definitely with regards to your finances, what I'm saying, because Hierophant. And Fool card again, don't be scared. Things happen. If anything happens. But even though, you just take the leap and go and fly. Try to fly now. And people are there to catch you if you fall. And obviously you will fly. And there was also one more card that I saw that I didn't take, is 8 of Pentacles. As I said, if you need any help, go ahead and reach out to people. Okay, they are there for help. They are there to help you. If you want a personal reading, you can check out my website. It's down below, and If you didn't watch my coronavirus prediction, you can check out, it's in the eye icon there. And if you want to watch the reading again, you're free to do that. Any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notified. Don't miss any of my videos. I'll be making a lot more videos for you guys. So this is all I have for Yogo. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.